In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to give any object a shadow on Canva. This is a quick and efficient way to add depth and dimension to your designs, and it's a technique that can be incredibly useful for a range of projects, from marketing materials to personal art creations. We'll walk through the process step by step, so even if you're new to Canva, you'll find this guide easy to follow. To get started, you'll need to open your Canva project and locate the object you want to add a shadow to. Begin by clicking on the object itself. This action will highlight the object, bringing it into focus and opening up a range of editing options. With your object selected, direct your attention to the top menu bar where you'll find the Edit option. Click on this to unveil various editing tools that Canva has to offer. Once you're in the Edit menu, look for the Shadows option. Clicking here will present you with a list of shadow types you can apply to your object. Canva provides several shadow styles to choose from, each adding a unique look and feel to your design. Take a moment to explore these options to see which one suits your vision best. The choice of shadow can significantly alter the perception of depth and can complement the overall aesthetic of your piece. After you've explored the different shadow types, go ahead and select one. Let's take the outline shadow as an example. Clicking on your chosen shadow type will apply it to the object, but you can still customize this effect further to tailor it to your preferences. Canva allows you to modify various aspects of the shadow, tweaking features such as blur, transparency, and angle to align perfectly with your design concept. Now that you've applied the shadow, it's time to add a pop of color. Click on the color menu, which provides you the opportunity to select any shade. Whether you want a subtle, natural hue or a bold, contrasting color, this feature lets you experiment freely. Choosing the right color for your shadow can enhance the mood of your design and tie your composition together seamlessly. And there you have it, a beautifully shadowed object ready to impress. Remember, these small details can make a notable difference in the overall quality of your work. By incorporating shadows thoughtfully, you're not just enhancing the visual appeal, but also guiding the viewer's eye and contributing to the storytelling aspect of your design. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Thanks for tuning in, and don't hesitate to experiment with these techniques to see what creative possibilities you can unveil. Until next time, happy designing.